Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has already broken out a very huge channel on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will take a look whether Bitcoin is going to continue its move to the upside or we are going to have a downward move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me take you to this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that we have already broken out this very long-term channel. We entered the channel here in October 2021 and broke out here at the first week of Feb 2022. And before that, we had recent three breakouts, by the way. Here, back when we had a drop from April 2021 to June 2021. Here at the end of the drop, the price line formed this falling wedge pattern, broke it out, but then we had a very small correction after a very nice rally. Then Bitcoin started its move to the upside, and then it formed another falling wedge pattern here back in October 2021 and broke out, and we did not have any correction after that. Yes, here we started this downward move and formed this very big up channel, and recently we have broken out the resistance of this up channel. Now recently we have broken down this support of $39,500, and I was telling you that this is really very important support. If we switch to the weekly time frame from here and remove all these trend lines, and I'm just going to place only $39,500 support line here, then you can see that previously this level has been working as a very nice support here, resistance here, and support here, but we have finally broken down this support. Now there is a probability increase that the price line may test the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Now if I extend this resistance of the channel, and then we can see that, for example, if the price line will move here, then it can test the support here at approximately $35,000. But before that, if we switch to the hourly time frame chart on a very small time frame, hourly time frame, then we can see that on the immediate short term, we have a very nice support here that is approximately at $37,300. Now, if we zoom the chart out from here, then on the immediate short term, we can see that recently, it has been working as a support here back on 4th of Feb, and before that, sometimes it has been working as a support and sometimes it has been working as a resistance. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down this level, even though this is a very short-term support level, not a long-term, then there will be a very high probability that we are really going to test this previous resistance of the channel as a support, and from there we can expect that the price line will have some accumulation and then it will start a reversal move, and that can be a very nice confirmation for a very big breakout before a massive move. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that this is a very huge support zone. In some of my videos, I've been telling you that from $35,000 from here to $28,600 is a really very strong support zone, and you can see whenever the price line is entering in this support zone, we are having very nice rallies towards the upside. Like here, back in January 2021, we entered here. After this rally, we started a very big move then, and then we again 1, 2, 3, or several times we have tested the support zone here from May 2021 to July 2021, and we started a very big move. Right now, we had a short bounce back in January 2022, and after this short bounce, we started the next move to the upside, but could not continue its move, and now we are having another correction, and we may enter this very big buying zone or support zone once again. And here this time on the weekly time frame, we also have this red line that is a 100 weekly simple moving average support. In the previous drop, we bounced by this 50 simple moving average support that is a green line. This time it is possible that we may test this 100. Right now the value of the 100 simple moving average is $33,000 approximately. So after breaking down this very important support of $39,500, we should be prepared for a retest of the previous resistance of the channel as a support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.